Join me as I take on the challenge of guessing which celebrity is behind this incredible makeup transformation. We have all seen those jaw-dropping celebrity makeup transformations that completely change their appearance, from suitable tweaks to full-on character transformations. Makeup has the power to completely reinvent a person's look, and today we're going to put that power to the test. Can you guess which celebrity Donna will be doing in this tutorial? Just think, here's the picture, and I hope you guys enjoy this full-on makeup challenge. So as you guys can see, I am singing this person's song and having fun as always. And maybe you guys may know who this person may be. I'm going to be using my Ruby Kisses eyeshadow palette. Now, her color is kind of like a summer color and like a little bit more vibrant. She had a little bit of purple and gold. So I'm going to use as my base. I'm going to use some lavender eyeshadow. It's not too heavy, it's not too dark, but it's kind of like of a pop of color that I did want to do. And I'm going to use my glitter eyeshadow palette that you guys can find on Amazon. I really do love this eyeshadow palette because you get more variety of glitter colors, and that's 24 colors. So I'm going to use a little bit of a dark purple and a light purple. And I had started to like mix them a little bit. So I'm just going to apply some in the inner corner of my eye. So I'm just applying the colors that I am using. And she did have a little bit of gold, so I am using gold in the center of my eye. And I'm just blending that out. I'm blending, because I'm so excited. So we got that out the way. Now I'm going to use some purple eyeliner. I didn't have the shimmer kind, but I am just using like a solid purple, because that's what she was wearing underneath her eyes. And it made her eyes pop more. But she have higher cheekbones too, so I just wanted to have it settled. And it came pretty good. You know, I just had fun with it. I came back with a little bit of the glitter once again. And I'm just going to make my own glitter eyeliner. So I'm going to take some of the purple glitter and I'm going to apply it under my eye. I could not get the hair off my brush. It just kept on. But anyway, we're back to it. So I'm applying this glitter underneath the bottom of my eyelid, along with the purple. And you guys see, the eyeshadow is popping. Now, ooh, we have on the similar shirt. It's not the same color, but that's the color I had available. I'm going to be using Ruby Kisses Hydrating Moisturizer. You know, you got to have your face hydrated. So I'm applying that on my skin, making sure that when I do apply on my foundation or concealer, I want my makeup to look very flawless. So we're going to start off with some concealer. We're going to use Cappuccino. I'm just going to do a little bit of the concealer on both sides towards like the inner corner, outer corner of my eye. And I'm going to use Classic Tan just a little bit in the inner corner, because I know they used to wear lighter and darker color of foundation or concealer. And this is the look, guys. Now we did that side. Now we're doing the opposite side. This is just me being silly. I'm listening to her music. If you guys know what song that I'm listening to, comment down below. And I am blending out the colors with the brush. This is Ruby Kisses' new lip gloss. I love it. The lip, I think Villain, if I pronounced it right, Villain tint. It is so smooth, and I also made it into a blush. So, and that one is the Dusty Rose. I think it's number 08. And I love it. No, it's number 5. And I love it. You guys, I gotta get more colors in that. And I just love the longevity of it as well. It's very hydrating and it stays on. Your lips won't dry. I would definitely recommend this. Highly recommend. And see, I'm applying. So I applied some at the bottom. And then I went in with my New York Absolute. It's called Sangria. It's a lip plump. It's like semi-gloss. And the number they don't have. But it's pronounced Sangria. Sangria. And you guys, I love this. It came out great. I hope you guys did enjoy it. Bam. My hair. You guys, I hope y'all do love it. And this is my look on the Miss Beautiful Iconic Celebrity. You guys ready for me to unveil? This is the beautiful Donna Summers Last Dance. So I hope you guys did enjoy. If you guys want me to do more celebrity makeup, please comment down below.